Papa ha easy from papa no bo ha dey nti no say pe baby oya relax na betina na easy nkoteze ezi woni ochiem wo jowlo cafe ba no a ways band some wasumje some wo thinking maybe aboko pepepe zamo wo ha dey na anepe so nyame ahen na dom nti no yatna se dam no na yenye wo favorite personality no rebochuche nkomo in the guest me you know wa hade no metenenka in 2018 tinyumbi na mo hwe mosma nyum no oye down na Ghana hade won ma where good songs it's voice new da voice the voice is voice no wondoso nti no meten no namle na why na to the minimum I find it out and I was surprised because no one is in the crowd put that. Now so no enyum no come papa it was a masterpiece. Into no before me introduce my guest amon me pede enjoy enyuma obia me sure that maybe atenyum no put that but inyim the ono na oboda me nyum no me da wase kofi kakari me ente enyum no na me free makume Misheni waya SSMI dawasiyoda unsanu juma yewawa SSMI dawasiyoda.
That's right.
Papa, so never make a room see chrome hade. Musicians no dorsal. Now, so no one ma, why are your papa no way a few? Now, me guess to you, or you're one of them. Kofi Kakariane Pay, good morning.
Good morning.
Akwaba.
Medasi.
I'm so honored to meet you.
It's a blessing.
The moon is or a timeless piece.
Wow,
on to that.
Amen.
On to because you know most mortal. BBR check.
Amen.
This about the third and second time I made home and from afar. Mo be also black. Who favorite color you know?
No, interestingly, Metasha white too.
Yeah,
and not coincidental.
I see. Into white or your favorite color.
White. Well, I don't have a favorite color, but actually, in whom them is white, I bought them is black.
Okay.
Me said that, but it happened.
Na me there be a quad disco.
Oh no, because St. Augustine's, because Gasco.
And I was a black, but
me no disco no Gasco here. No means awake. Okay,
now fancy.
No, but like me mini water credit, so yes.
Okay, but he funny free. I'm
tardy boy. Maybe will be some madam.
Tardy boy. The shadow to Honda Coast School. And about St. Augustine's.
Never keep cool St. Augustine's.
Okay, from St. Augustine's.
Local University or Presbyterian University up the mountains.
Wow, you see about it?
Me banking and finance.
Hey. In the banking industry,
oh baby, me that command diversified completely. Me if you banking industry for a long time.
Oh,
to me other things.
I see.
Oh yeah, architectural design, construction, interior decor. You know, them.
Wow, wow. No, ne Oscar.
Oh,
why architectural.
No, Miska.
Because I know. Interior interior for wonderful.
Oh, the thing is that or multi, but and you know or me main as I may me a worship leader. Na myself so a chapel mostly that's what I do.
Okay. My share as up as who read you tomb. It's swimming in an air to you, ma'am.
We're swimming now. Some classmates be Irish or actually like when you. For the time, I call school friend Chapel Hill.
Okay.
And from an early age, extracurricular activities, Naza, over Fredo, Kakari, Oboto,
Nice.
Like from an early age, Dama,
okay.
Was St. Augustine, Sudama, Musical University, Sudama. I think there are lots of people who are not surprised.
They're told you. Okay. No, you to a Jumano. Iso numpono na the down, no bibia na pede sa Antonio manka abazi na pede.
In fact, na me am but na onye azam pede me ye de djuma no. Then me were other interests, but time I me was university, program be like me kwa chapel Sunday. Inti mu recha prede na me so home no or me so for as at that time home no ketchem de me im de nyame ne frɛ wo modo nem so me nyim no so ke o ketchem de nyame afam inti me nyame ne ejuma inti it was around them time no nem de no like nyame afam that then or a privilege because nipe pinem we are so nye wonya na nyame afam and I always say this there the best payroll to be on your mini payroll.
Wow.
Because you always pays on time.
Okay.
On delay. Meeting them and I was very elated. I struggled with it a bit because now I'm there Charlie, I'm Juma, Charlie, Numun Sam Nazi, but Nyame mama task they were from no obey me and truly is why me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Into no wo friend no e enyum to frɛ.
Yes.
Okay, so this is your ministry.
Yes, this is my ministry.
Wow.
It's not an occupation.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this is my life. I don't sing songs.
Okay.
I introduce people to Jesus. I give people Jesus. Into Adom say it's a minimum be maya. Either day one kasa you will encounter the Lord for yourself, and either as you listen to the song, no, ebinya fancy can in gitahudi. In your beer, Obama, yes.
Okay.
Oba dance so me nyame aben nyame adode bosu nyame.
Okay. Ebia nkita uzi no be intase o chem do nyakopon benya a connection another relationship bia oba metum na waso enyina ezi enyina ezi nkomo another enyin no ezi sound na anyin no ho asamara anyin. Inti no Kofi Kakari anyuma he na esise o.
Oh, Odoso.
Bebre.
Odoso from we bow down and worship Yahweh.
Hey,
like that was the first song.
Brother,
Yeah.
We bow down and worship. Actually, yes, when you be worship was one day my name there.
I mean, I'm sure but that was like the first song I called worldwide.
Yes, I know that song.
From me, yeah.
But me connecting you know from more that.
Oh, echo YouTube net type Kofi Kakari. Type we bow down, like so many years ago, somewhere 2013, 12, 14, oh baby.
Wow.
Yeah.
Naturally, it make impact to cry and him the impact no. I wouldn't take it. And should Antonio who the me who just one cast personality no.
No, it's not like that. I think the our morte, sometimes Yankupon Obama or do this year, and then at times obey you way. Depending on what the instruction is in the season is all we follow. But Sisiano, I have the liberty to go all about and let people know what God is doing.
Wow. And industry then. How do you find the industry?
Oh yeah, very, very beautiful. I must say, I am for Ubia on the story. Maybe I make it Ubianity different. For me, I've received a lot of support and love from the industry.
Wow. From
fellow musicians, radio presenters, TV hosts, producers, like everybody. Go for a show me love, and I'm so grateful. But then for platform, they will be our support and so full worship leaders around the world, like our support by
Okay. Now, it's not how them na me who the inyim enyum ejumanu inyim them no. Me enko. Mama amahen an ingredient. Abazi pa na ye do so wanyu ma omo wonyum no. Ye tell you oye hen doko ye ntim dem.
Onya me ehun de se oye nyame nyame ni bi o ha me to me take glory for it because man simple me tell me blessed and me be some de inti how did this come about? Oye nyame sometimes o ha na ati etinyum like wasu phone bia and obia a songwriter bia will relate there phone immediately you hear I record maybe I get in the keyboard the channel for guitar and we do make a crack studio the embellishments and and then it comes out and people are blessed. I mean say be am set out the way a hit song there. Okay. But I mean I don't set out to make a hit song. Like I set out there I'm communicating what I've heard from the Lord. And Nyame nansa na Adom Nkofuti and they are blessed.
Wow. Into a new song, Hail Your Name. To kakama na mema one ma worry here no so no we enjoy but me peda our start na ye bo enyum no kakwa.
Enyum say Lord of my life, on our knees we bow and hail your name forevermore, keeper of my life. On our knees we bow and hail your name
more. It's forever. I don't know more. More what you know. Oh, how we say no? Hail your name. Kofi Kakarini new song. Ma enjoy. The be mama can you be able to me able streaming no is a man on pair a hini bia also streaming you know I want to stick out stream no now we to na wabo can no a new project is a man because this year why I know there worship songs no or no otado this year show worship songs power chrome had they are back to back playlist na better na jidafa Kofi Sarah say, I drop a hit song and I kiss a baby. As when you make a see. Now, I shall want you marry and I saw Sabanas and then say, stay with us or stay with us. No, what's my new streaming platform? Yeah, you
or YouTube, Echo YouTube or a type Kofi Kakari music or Baba. KOFIKARIKARIMUSIC Kofi Kakari music.
Okay.
Then you now hail your name Beba Meda was a Beba no
or Baba.
And our Spotify, Apple Music, Boom Play, Bibia or
okay. And you mean Abba Botany or telling
Botany there read Revelation 7:11 no Kasimbia Numi Drupa also there the 4 living creatures and the 24 elders, they bow and they worship the Lord and they sing holy, holy, holy. Even there, worshiper mostly, you know, you're doing there a voice in the pet. They be extra Bible ma. I do crow Bible ma or cheddar is bowing. Okay. And your earth is why you to me a bow. Indeed, this is a song that calls us to gesture and bowing on cheddar be a physically bow, but it's just to submit yourself, your thoughts, your life. Will be to nyame. Na manidin do there utuma din yinaye.
Amen.
And no curso say ema nyame nidin do he will show up and I know your life will never be the same.
Also life would instruments be out.
1 or 2.
Why is it?
Guitar, kakra, piano, kakra, drums, kakra.
Okay, why is no eba when you are jehopa?
Ninya
when you are jeho. Bass of crow. Or that chemo crow. Me you mushiala. We you mushiala, but you may kind of monto you about to my back wa motuna. You're sorry though, your number 9 last words. I'll be a pedicure ashafana.
Mammy Pedamic kind there, Medobia, Obibiarasi, Medad Biasi, multimedia was supporting them show and P. One sister radio stations in Medobia, one will follow you and one will bump him and show. But Crony there, Benny Razi, the year is coming to an end. Mean there you have had your way the whole year, one Casawa or dear, but I feel you could Bedi Radine Fishi can for 2025. Sure. And that's some bedid, many tombs to be do bubble. And I know your life will not be the same.
No answer, Marangi, no so full Kofi Kakari, and I ain't not say, what's the Benny Radze, mammy, Chibenin, Chibenin, and you may in the insult, do and you have a relationship, and as a winning Bogasi, the Biara dance, you know, I had Namazan Comotrichino, Mizibesi, new song, you know, you hail your name, but was not a cocoa streaming, you know, or streaming platforms, Nina, from and fire worship and a pa, and your means in Como, Bomazi, from a Yame, Odana Pa, yeah, not amamanda cafe bar no afoso ase tem bia wo boy hono doors no to ha me wo de sisi ampo no sa na we is bomb mo fra manti no se wo ba wo school na bia da no entum na anye ezban afa mabofo no afa nko school like esnism in another class school okọ is the back e from hona I was the first can Jessica keke woboko no wakaka delivery no amabofo no wo ni school na wetum na wezizi nti cafe bar no aze ezban sam wo ankrankodiem ha de ne ze wo handle ni nyina la pepepepe abofo no bezizi healthy so into no me da hona papa de bia wo bo hona abo is the mutum matenase motwetwe nkomo ifri ha de wo be kofi ampedu me sure by na we do office me che no kwanso nkodo Sarah opare nyame hye no Jessica wo nyina wo studio Richard wo nyina me da hona papa me camera guy Obed na me gine bed mara no OPD ebobo mama ye production o ha de nyame hye wo nyina da wajimbre wo nyine ye makra hon nyame ya adoma ye basana ye